Hello, boys and girls. This is the math lesson, lesson 11. And once again, I'm just going to say it again. This is a review lesson, so this isn't anything new. This is something that you all should know and that you all should be able to master again. So our objective is add and subtract tens from a multiple of 10. So our target today is I can add or subtract tens from a multiple of 10. So this is our application problem. Sharon has 3 dimes and 1 penny. Mia has 1 dime and 3 pennies. Whose amount of money has a greater value? So we already have Sharon's money here and Mia's money here. So Sharon has 3 dimes, 1 penny. Remember, dime, dime, 10 all the time, and penny, penny, worth 1 cent. So if you count Sharon's change here, she has 10, 20, 30, 1 cents. Okay, then we're going to come over here and count Mia's. 10, and we're going to count by ones, 11, 12, 13 cents. So who has the greater value? Well, we could see that Sharon has 31, Mia has 13, so Sharon has the greater value. So if we have 2 circles and then add 1 circle, so 2 plus 1, how many circles do we have now? Well, what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1, 3. So if we have 2 tens and then add 1 10, how many tens do we have? Well, 2 plus 1 is 3. However, we're talking about tens. 2 tens is worth 20. 1 10 is worth 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. 3 tens is worth 30. Okay, so this is our problem set for today. They want us to fill out this number bond, then go in here and add our tens, and then create a addition sentence for it. So how many tens do we have here? 1 10. What is 1 10 worth? 10. We also have 1 10 over here. What is 1 10 worth? 10. Because we know 10 plus 10 is 20. So how many tens? 1. How many tens over here? 1. 1 10 plus 1 10 equals 2 tens, not 20 tens, because we just count 1 10, 2 tens. Okay? So what is 1 10 worth? 10, 10, and 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, guys, so that is the lesson for today. So I want you guys to go into the Google Classroom. If I can get out of this slide here. I want you to go to the Google Classroom, and then you're going to go up here to your daily work activities, and you're going to see here Math Module 4, Lesson 11. Click on it, then you're going to go in and you're going to select an answer, and then when you're done, click Submit on the bottom there, and then you will be done. So shorter lesson today. I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure to get into your Google Classroom and get all that work done. I hope to see you guys live tomorrow, and have a good evening. Bye.